10 of the smartest universities worldwide 2021 update. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about some of the smartest universities in the world. This will be a fun ride, so keep watching until the end to find out everything about it. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, do not forget to click on the bell icon and turn on all notifications to be notified whenever we post a new video. This way, you will never miss a single video from us in the future. With that out of the way, let us begin. Number 10. University College London. Located in London, the University College London is among the highest-ranked universities in the United Kingdom. It is also one of the smartest universities in the world. The college has a budget of £1.5 billion every year, and this is enough to show how well equipped it is, and the university has one of the best rankings in the world.
Hey guys, so I just finished classes for the day, and as you can see, it's not too intense, but university life is what you make out of it, right? So right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna...
Number 9. University of Chicago. Established in the 1890s, the University of Chicago has always been one of the leading universities in the world. It is ranked generously in different fields, and clearly it is one of the smartest universities in the world. With an acceptance rate of just 6%, it is also one of the hardest universities to get into.
I can't imagine where I would be if I didn't have financial aid.
For people like me who are from first-generation families, are from poorer communities, the Odyssey Scholarship is allowing me to live.
Number 8. Imperial College London. With an acceptance rate of around 15%, the Imperial College London is considered to be one of the best in the whole United Kingdom. It is also considered among the best in the fields of science and technology. It also has a great reputation in other fields, especially natural and environmental sciences. Number 7. University of Cambridge. Another one from the United Kingdom, the University of Cambridge has tons of smart possibilities for you to consider. It is also one of the oldest universities in Great Britain, and hence you can always consider it a good option. It is the second oldest university which was set in English, and the fourth oldest university from the olden times which still exists. Still, it is one of the best when it comes to quality of education and the great infrastructure. Number 6. Swiss Federal Institute of Technology. It is also known as ETH Zurich, and it is set up in the city of Zurich. Out of Switzerland, it is the best the Swiss have to offer. It was established back in 1854, and since then, the university has established its dominance from time to time. The main fields that are focused are science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Number 5. University of Oxford. Another name from the United Kingdom, the University of Oxford is another well-known and one of the most desired universities in the whole world. It is also one of the oldest names in the list, as it was founded back in 1096, and it still strives to be among the best of our time. Number 4. California Institute of Technology. With a graduation rate of 93% and an acceptance rate of only 6%, the California Institute of Technology is a well-known and most demanded name in the United States. The university has a beautiful campus, and it also specializes in science and engineering. The campus is also well equipped, as beautiful as it is, and it is also considered to be one of the best in the States. Number 3. Harvard University. We are approaching the most known names in the community now, and they are renowned worldwide. Harvard University is established in Massachusetts, and this Ivy League university was established back in 1636. It has an acceptance rate of 5%, and the graduation rate is 97%. Isn't that amazing? Number 2. Stanford University. With a graduation rate of 94%, Stanford University in California takes the acceptance rate to 4%, which is surprisingly low. But considering its legacy, this university is among the top names if we talk about the smartest universities in the world. It is also known among the most known names in the game. Number 1. Massachusetts Institute of Technology. MIT is known as one of the most famous, smartest, and best universities in the world. Students from all over the world try their luck to get into the university because it is one of the best names. It has one of the best faculties, and other than that, the Massachusetts Institute of Technology is also the top ranking in the world. Well, that's it for this video. We hope that you liked it. If you did, then make sure to like this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.